Friends, in my previous video, you have found the summary of Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom Part First, in which you got the knowledge of inauguration ceremony of Nelson Mandela in South Africa on 10th May 1994. It was the first celebration by black government in which Nelson Mandela shows in which Nelson Mandela delivered the speech equality between whites and blacks government. On this day, military power, helicopter troop shows its devotion towards new formed government. On that day, both blacks and whites national anthem were sung. Such type of story we have read it. Let's move ahead. On the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. Inauguration ceremony day, overwhelmed, filled with joy. Nelson Mandela remarked this point that on this celebration day, he was feeling a great sense of joy with remembering the historical point of the past. In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned pupils of South Africa patched up their differences. Patched finish. Pupil PEOPLE जब ये प्यूपिल वर्ड आता है तो इसका अर्थ लोग होता है और जब प्यूपिल्स हो जाता है तो इसका अर्थ नेशन हो जाता है, राष्ट्र। लेकिन इस लेसन में हम यहाँ पर लोगों का ही सेंस लेंगे। In the first decade of the 20th century, decade we know 10 years time. In the first 10 years of 20th century, after few years of that harsh resulted Anglo-Boer War and before the birth of Nelson Mandela, he remembered this point. What point? White-skinned pupils of South Africa patched up their differences. Patched finish. White-skinned person, South Africa, has finished their internal differences. किसी भी कम्युनिटी में एक बड़ी कम्युनिटी अपनी दूसरी बड़ी कम्युनिटी के आगे अंतर रखती है और कुछ कम्युनिटीज के इंटरनल डिफरेंसेस भी होते हैं। नेल्सन मंडेला इस लाइन में कह रहे हैं कि एंग्लो बॉयर वार की हार्श रिजल्ट के बाद और उनके खुद के जन्म के बाद अंग्रेजों ने अपने आंतरिक मतभेद, अपनी ही जाति के आंतरिक मतभेद खत्म कर दिए थे and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned pupils of their own land. Erected, established, formation. Racial domination, the discrimination on the basis of race, caste. और उन्होंने काले व्यक्तियों का विरुद्ध एक घृणास्पद अंतर इस्टेब्लिश कर लिया था। मीन्स अंग्रेजों ने अपनी कम्युनिटी के इंटरनल डिफरेंसेस को ख़त्म कर दिया था और ब्लैक पर्सन्स के विरुद्ध एक अंतर, जातिगत अंतर स्थापित कर लिया था। द स्ट्रक्चर they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhumane societies the world has ever known. Inhumane, rude, unsocial structure formed on that land, South African land, white persons, whatever adopted the formation, that formation against black persons, it was very bitter, most rude, and that rude behavior in the world, it is common. अंग्रेज गवर्नमेंट ने काले लोगों के प्रति बहुत अधिक असभ्य, असामाजिक व्यवहार करना शुरू कर दिया था। इन द सेम मैनर, जब भारत में अंग्रेज़ों का शासनकाल था तो उन्होंने भारतीयों के प्रति कितना इनह्यूमेन बिहेवियर किया था। Now, in the last decade of the 20th century and my own 8th decade as a man, that system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all people regardless of the color of their skin. अब in the last decade of 20th century and as a man, Nelson Mandela has entered in the 8th decade of his age, means अपने 8वें दशक में उम्र के वो सिस्टम, that system had been overturned. That system which was formed by white government has overturned forever and replaced by one that recognizes the rights and freedoms of all people. And that system has turned and it has taken the place of the system which will identify the rights and freedoms of all the people regardless of the color of their skin, regardless not mentioned. That freedom and rights without mentioning of their skin. अब वाइट गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा बनवाई गई उस व्यवस्था के विरुद्ध नेल्सन मंडेला के उम्र के 8वें दशक में एक ऐसी नई व्यवस्था ने जन्म ले लिया था जो सभी लोगों के राइट्स और फ्रीडम को पहचानता था बिना उनके कलर का भेद किए हुए. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. This day means that changed system arrangement day had come after the various sacrifices of many persons of the tribe of white persons. People whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. Those persons who suffered and showed their courage, it cannot be counted or repaid. आज इस व्यवस्था का आना उन हजारों व्यक्तियों के बलिदान का प्रतीक था, जो बलिदान उन्होंने अपने कष्टों से पाए थे और जो साहस उन्होंने दिखाया था, इसका भुगतान कभी नहीं किया जा सकता था. I felt that day as I have on so many other days. मैंने महसूस किया कि उस दिन जैसा कई अन्य दिनों में हुआ था, I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. Patriots, the person who loved the country. This day was the conclusion of all those African patriots' sacrifices who had faced and who got death before Nelson Mandela against whitish government system's struggle. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. That person's counting was long and this noble person's counting was not very insufficient mood, means it is uncountable. But now on that day their sacrifices got conclusion, the turn up the system. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had achieved. Nelson Mandela was feeling some problem. That's why, because he was not able to express his thankfulness towards African patriot, because those African patriots were not able to see on this inauguration day for what they had made their sacrifices. नेल्सन मंडेला उन अफ्रीकन देशभक्तों के प्रति अपना थैंकफुलनेस बता रहे हैं जिसमें आज का दिन उनके सैक्रिफाइसेस के कारण आया है और आज वो उनके सामने उनके साथ नहीं है. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. Apartheid, the harsh arrangement on the basis of caste, creed, छुआछूत की व्यवस्था, white hate against blacks, black hates against white. The policy of apartheid की नीति created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. The policy of apartheid created a very dense and everlasting wound for the country and for the people. छुआछूत की व्यवस्था ने देश और देश के लोगों में एक गहरी चोट दी थी. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. Many persons had spent many years in this apartheid system, not in generation, but also many persons ultimately deeply hurt. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambos, Walter Sislers, the Chief Lithulius, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fitchers, the Robert Saboki of our time. That decades of oppression, protest, brutality, fanaticism, Kattartavad, that time when the protest movement or cruelty against each another, it had unintendable, non-desirable effect. And in that protest, Oliver Tambos, Walter Sislers, Steve Lithulius, Yusuf Dadus, Bram Fitchers, Robert Sabacus उस समय के अफ्रीकन पैट्रियट थे जिन्होंने इसके विरुद्ध लड़ने का काम किया. Men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity that their like may ever be known again. इतनी असाधारण साहस को रखने वाले, विजडम बुद्धिमानी को रखने वाले, जेनरोसिटी पोलाइटनेस को रखने वाले, ये like may never be known again. Such type of person cannot be take rebirth again. Perhaps it requires such depths of operations to create such heights of character. Nelson Mandela is accepting this fact that these qualities requires many depths of operation to create such climax peak of the character. नेल्सन मंडेला कहते हैं कि ऐसे गुण विरोध करने की जो गहराई कोई तरफ निर्धारित करे, ये कुछ ही व्यक्तियों में आता है. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath under its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its pupil, finer and truer than the purest diamonds, finer actual wealth, which is freedom fighter. Nelson Mandela is accepting this fact that his country is also rich in minerals and many gems, which is under the land of the country. But he is also thankfulness, overwhelmed to the greatest wealth. Which greatest wealth? To its pupil who fought for the freedom. This freedom fighter is truer of those gems and minerals. These freedom fighters are the purest diamonds. उनके देश में कई डायमंड्स और जेम्स हैं जो ज़मीन में दबे हैं, लेकिन अफ्रीकन फ्रीडम फाइटर्स की तुलना में ये जेम्स और मिनरल्स कम महत्वपूर्ण हैं. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I earned the meaning of courage. Nelson Mandela, accepting this fact that from the struggle of these companions, he had learned the meaning of courage. Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. Time and again, time to time, he had seen many men and women who was ready to risk and also ready to give their lives for their principles, for their theory. डॉक्टर नेल्सन मंडेला एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि इन फ्रीडम फाइटर्स के स्ट्रगल से उन्होंने साहस का अर्थ सीखा है. वे व्यक्ति जो तैयार रहते थे हर खतरा उठाने के लिए, अपनी जिंदगी को अपने सिद्धांतों पर चढ़ाने के लिए तैयार रहते थे. आई हैव सीन मैन स्टैंड अप टू अटैक्स एंड टॉर्चर विदाउट ब्रेकिंग, शोइंग ए स्ट्रेंथ and resilience that defies the imagination. I have seen, Nelson Mandela have seen many men who were ready to attack or ready to bear up the problems without surrender, without breaking, without surrender. Without surrender, many men, many persons were ready to attack or torture. It was showing a strength, very powerful thing, power, and resilience, obstinate view that defies the imagination, defies denial. That obstinate nature, many persons, many African patriots were ready to take risk only for the freedom of South Africa. That power was beyond full of obstinate nature. ये उनकी जिद्दीपन का एक प्रतीक हो गया था. उन्होंने सहन कर लिया था, उन्होंने ठान लिया था कि अब वो देश की आज़ादी लेकर ही रहेंगे और उसके लिए वो आक्रमण करना और परेशानियों को सहने के लिए तैयार थे. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the trump over it. Nelson Mandela accepted this fact that by the life of African patriot, he has learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but trump over it, trump victory. नेल्सन मंडेला ने सीख लिया था कि करेज भय की एब्सेंसी नहीं है, बल्कि इसका एक विजय है. भय को विजय पाना है. द ब्रेव मैन इज नॉट ही हु डज नॉट फील अफ्रेड, बट ही हु कन्क्वायर्स दैट फियर. अकॉर्डिंग नेल्सन मंडेला, ही सेड दैट एक बहादुर व्यक्ति वो नहीं है जो भय को महसूस नहीं करता, बल्कि वो बहादुर व्यक्ति है जो भय पर विजय प्राप्त करता है. नो वन इज बॉर्न हेटिंग एन अदर पर्सन बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर ऑफ हिज स्किन और हिज बैकग्राउंड और हिज रिलीजन. कोई भी व्यक्ति एक दूसरे से घृणा करते वक्त पैदा नहीं होता, चाहे वो उसकी खाल स्किन के कारण हो, उसके बैकग्राउंड के कारण हो या उसके धर्म के कारण हो. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. Nelson Mandela is thinking about this fact that by the birth no one is born to hate, but he is accepting this fact that pupil must learn to hate, because if pupil has command over to the art of hate, but such type of person can be preached to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite, because love is the main quality of the God, which is gifted to human heart by its opposite. नेल्सन मंडेला कहते हैं कि लोगों को घृणा करना भी सीखना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर वो घृणा करना सीखते हैं तो वे प्रेम की इम्पोर्टेंसी को जानेंगे, और प्रेम मनुष्य के हृदय में स्वाभाविक रूप से आता है. Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, grimmest, serious, pushed, tortured, he is remembering of that time when he was in prison in the very difficult time. His friends and Nelson Mandela were tortured beyond of their power. I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards. Glimmer, shining ray. He found the sign of humanity in one of the guards of the prison. जो उनकी जेल में गार्ड्स तैनात होते थे, उन गार्डों में भी एक गार्ड में मानवता की एक छाया दिखाई देती थी. Perhaps just for a second, शायद ये एक सेकंड के लिए ही हो, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. But एक सेकंड की गार्डों के आंखों में मानवता के प्रति जो छाया थी वो पर्याप्त थी उनके अंदर इस विषय को रखने के लिए. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. मानव की अच्छाई एक मसाल है जिसको छुपाया जा सकता है लेकिन कभी भी खत्म नहीं किया जा सकता. Extinguished, finished. In this second part of this chapter's video, this text is completed, and in my next video I will give you the last part of this chapter, the whole remaining text of the chapter. If you are interested to find my previous chapters related or grammar related videos, you can push I button on this screen. You will find my another channel and another video of this English related. Thank you. Have a nice day.